Meaning of excess baggage.
Excess baggage.
Excess baggage.
Excess baggage.
Excess baggage. Excess baggage refers to luggage that exceeds the weight or size restrictions imposed by an airline or other mode of transportation. When a passenger has excess baggage, they may be required to pay additional fees in order to transport their luggage. Alternatively, the excess baggage may need to be left behind or shipped separately. Failure to comply with excess baggage restrictions can result in delays, missed flights, and additional expenses. It is important for travelers to carefully check the baggage limits of their chosen mode of transportation prior to packing.